Hello friends, because of Omicron and Corona, we can't go to the beach. So I decided to cheer you all up for a beach, okay? So, one of my assistant, Nani, is going to show me, or maybe I'll do it myself. I should do it. Okay? I'll show you a dance. It's all about a little fun. Okay? So where should I dance? Maybe here. Let's see. Yes, this is the perfect place. Now, just keep this here and tuck this in. Ding, 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 ding. मैं हूँ Rapunzel, बीच में गई हूँ मैं, बीच में गई हूँ, मेरी sunglasses तो गरम गरम, तो गरम गरम, acting, oh acting, Flynn Rider को बुलाती हूँ, Flynn Rider को बुलाती हूँ. Wait, Rapunzel, wait, Flynn, wait, Flynn. We all know, oh yeah, ding, oh yeah, let's call Flynn Rider. Flynn will do the rap for the rest of the white bed sheet covers us all. And here comes Flynn Rider. Yeah, my goggles are deep. Yeah, I know you're here. Yeah. Rapunzel, get your shoes on. Okay, dance. Ooh, dance. Oh, come on, let's do. Jean, it's your turn to the right. Whoa. Oh, yeah, but oh, the best got it. Yeah. I always love you, and you got me. Yeah. The beach is here. The sand falling grain. I always hated over in the pool. Boy. I call the berry day with her in mine. Whew. Hey guys. Bye. And you write in the comments, was it looking like a beach or a dome in the dark? Did it make you happy or sad? Tell me in the comments.